Okay, so this is our, there it is, our lab on gunshot residue. So the first thing we need to do is we need a group of 4. One person is going to be, well, 2 people will be the suspects and 2 people will do the testing. So in general, up here at the top, it shows a picture of this glove. The idea is that this over here is your suspect, and you're going to put the nitrate here. They're going to shake hands with the other person, probably getting the nitrates here and across their fingers. So that's the first part of the lab. The second part, well, there's multiple parts to this, but the idea here is that then the examiners are going to test for those nitrates. So here's how we are going to set this up. I've got my hand, let's see here, and I've got my nitrate solution, which I am going to very carefully remove. I need a Q-tip here to do this with. So generally speaking, you can very gently and carefully just put enough of the nitrate on there so that it's soaking in to the Q-tip. And then I'm looking at my picture, and here, all the way down to there, is where I am going to be putting my gunshot residue. So the idea is that this person then shakes hands with the other possible suspect so that you have 2 options when testing. So this is what I just did. I would then shake hands and then you would run the test. So the test here says you're going to pull this off very carefully, and you're going to remove the tape and the vial, and the vial comes in its own little container here. And there it goes. Really? Okay. So this is the part of the tape, and there's a plastic covering on it right now that you are going to use to lift that nitrate. And so it says you're going to open the pouch. You're going to remove the clip. Do not remove the protective sleeve from around the vial. You're going to separate the cover from the lifting tape. So if you see here, I can just bend it, and there's the cover of the lifting tape removed. Although that actually removed the entire thing, so that didn't, there it goes. There it goes. So I'm going to pull that off. And I'm very carefully going to do this, and then I'm going to set it down flat on the table. There. Sticky side up. Then I'm going to take this, and it says, place the ampule in the protective sleeve long ways on the center of the sticky tape of the lifting tape, and place the lifting tape and the ampule pack back into the plastic pouch. So I'm going to put my ampule right there back into the pouch very carefully. I'm going to close it up. And then basically you have to break the ampule. So you very carefully, there you go. And then you can shake it around and observe your results. So I'm moving that around. Place the pouch on a hard surface with hands, apply pressure. Gently shake the pouch, then wait 1 minute. If the solution in the pouch turns blue, which you can tell it's already starting to turn a little bit blue here. Here, zoom in. You can see it's starting to turn a little bit blue underneath there. Then that means that there was nitrates there, and so it is positive for gunshot residue. That's how you do the lab.